Now we shall discuss about purine degradation. End product of purine metabolism is uric acid. End product of purine metabolism in humans is uric acid. The nucleotide monophosphate, adenosine monophosphate, inosine monophosphate, and GMP are converted to their respective nucleoside forms, adenosine, inosine, and guanosine by the nucleotidases enzyme. Amino group either from AMP or adenosine can be removed to produce inosine monophosphate or inosine. Inosine and guanosine are converted to hypoxanthine and guanine purine bases by purine nucleoside phosphorylase. Adenosine is not degraded by this enzyme. It has to be converted to adenosine is not degraded by this enzyme. It has to be converted to inosine. Guanine undergoes deamination by guanines to form xanthine. Xanthine oxidase converts hypoxanthine to xanthine, and xanthine is converted to uric acid again by xanthine oxidase. This enzyme contains FAD, molybdenum, and iron. It is exclusively found in liver. It is exclusively found in liver and small intestine. Xanthine oxidase liberates H2O2, which is harmful to tissues. Catenase squeeze H2O2 to water and oxygen. Uric acid. Uric acid is 2,6,8-trioxypurine. It is the final excretory product of purine metabolism in humans. Uric acid can serve as an important antioxidant by getting itself converted non-enzymatically to allantoin. This is AMP, adenosine monophosphate, acted by the adenosine monophosphate deaminase. You get IMP, inosine monophosphate. AMP is by nucleotidase converted to adenosine, which by the action of adenosine deaminase produces inosine. Inosine to hypoxanthine, it is a phosphorylase, and hypoxanthine to xanthine is xanthine oxidase. And xanthine oxidase is converted to uric acid 2,6,8-trioxypurine. IMP, xanthine monophosphate, is converted to xanthosine and xanthine, finally to uric acid. Guanosine monophosphate converted to guanosine by nucleotidase and by phosphorylase to guanine. Guanine is acted upon by guanine deaminase to produce xanthine. Hypoxanthine to xanthine, xanthine to uric acid, the enzyme is xanthine oxidase. Degradation of uric acid in animals other than man. Most animals oxidize uric acid by the enzyme uricase to allantoin, where the purine ring is cleaved. Allantoin is then converted to allantoic acid in some fishes. Degradation of allantoic acid may occur to produce urea in amphibians and to ammonia in marine invertebrates. So you see uric acid acted upon by uricase in animals, allantoinase, allantoic acid, and converted to urea and ammonia. Disorders concerning purine metabolism. Normal blood level of uric acid is 2 to 5 milligrams in females, 3 to 7 milligrams per deciliter in males. Daily excretion of uric acid is 500 to 700 milligrams. Nucleic acid content is more in non-vegetarian diet. Uric acid is sparingly soluble in water. Hyperuricemia refers to elevation in serum uric acid concentration. This is sometimes associated with increased uric acid excretion, that is uricosauria. Gout is a metabolic disease associated with overproduction of uric acid. At the physiological pH, uric acid is found in a more soluble form as sodium urate. In severe hyperuricemia, crystals of sodium urate gets deposited in the soft tissue, particularly in the joints. They are called as tophi.